Hey, this is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So today I'm doing a design for you on a chalkboard I bought from a local craft store. This is a larger design and I'm going to be using two different transfers. So I am using our Be Still transfer, and then for the two little sides, that is actually part of our Mr. and Mrs. transfer. So all of our products you can purchase right online on my website at chalkinwithjen.com. The directions are right on the back of each and every one of our transfers that tells you how to use them, clean them, and store them, because all of the transfers that we offer at Chalk Couture are reusable, where you usually get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. And then for this design, I'm using our Chalkology chalk paste. Now, I'm using this in custard and mint green, but our chalk paste does come in 35 different colors, so a lot of versatility in colors to match your own home decor. But the design process is super easy, as you see here. You apply your transfer, smooth out any air bubbles within the silk screen area, apply your chalk paste, remove the transfer, and you are done. And you have this beautiful design that looks like anything you would buy at a local home decor store. So how great is that? Now you can do this on your own. Like I said, you can purchase right at my website at chalkinwithjen.com. You can do this as a make and take or sip and chalk with friends if you're local to me. Or if you want, you can become a designer just like me, and you can do this as a hobby, you can do this as a business, and you get a really great discount to make your own DIY home decor. So I do want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Definitely subscribe to my YouTube channels to see all the fun things I'll be creating for you this spring and summer, and I hope you love the end result of my Be Still design.